G'day! This is Chef Chris from the Utah Valley Convention Center, and this month's tips are going to be healthy homemade popsicles, eh? So we're back here making our healthy popsicles, and we're using a fresh fruit puree. And we're doing this because of the high fructose corn syrup and artificial flavorings in other popsicles. Steps are berries, sugar, and some water. So we're starting off with a creamy strawberry lemon popsicle and show you the steps. So we've got fresh strawberry puree here, just like the ones we showed you making over on the other side. Vanilla yogurt. And some fresh cut strawberry. Quick blend. Little extra sweetener, that's a simple syrup, and a little bit of lemon juice. So here we go, we're gonna pour this into our mold, and you can use anything you want. We've got some nice plastic molds here, just purchase those. Our top's gonna go on that. You want 4 to 5 hours at the minimum, getting these in the freezer. Prefer freezing these overnight. And this is what your finished product is going to look like. Bon appetit. That is good stuff.